What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upscale your photos using ChatGPT for maximum sharpness and better image quality. If you have a blurry, low resolution, or old photo that you want to make look clearer, this method can help improve the details in just a few steps. First, open ChatGPT. Then, upload the photo that you want to enhance. You can do this by clicking the plus or the upload button. Next, type a prompt like this. Upscale this image, improve the sharpness, and increase the resolutions while keeping the details natural. Then after that, send the prompt and wait a few seconds while ChatGPT processes your image. Once the enhanced version appears, compare it with the original photo. You should notice better sharpness, improved details, and a cleaner overall look. If you want better results, you can use prompts like make the image slightly sharper, reduce noise, or enhance the facial details while keeping it natural. After you're satisfied with the result, simply download the enhanced image to your device. And that's it. That's how you can upscale photos using ChatGPT. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next time. Peace!